Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What follows is my personal experience with using Xero. Xero, found at Xero.com, is a robust cloud-based accounting software platform designed to streamline financial management for small to medium-sized businesses. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive feature set make it a popular choice for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and growing companies seeking efficient tools to manage their finances. Key features include invoicing, bank reconciliation, expense tracking, and financial reporting. With Xero, you can generate professional invoices with customizable templates, automate reconciliation processes by connecting directly to your bank accounts, monitor expenses in real time, and gain valuable insights into your business's financial performance through detailed reports. Xero also offers a mobile app, providing access to your financial data on the go. The platform's cloud-based nature ensures that your information is securely stored and accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Furthermore, Xero integrates seamlessly with a wide range of third-party apps, extending its functionality and allowing you to create a customized financial ecosystem tailored to your specific business needs. This interoperability enhances efficiency by eliminating manual data entry and streamlining workflows. Whether you're looking to simplify invoicing, automate bank reconciliation, or gain a clearer understanding of your financial health, Xero provides a comprehensive suite of tools to help you manage your business finances effectively. Consider exploring Xero's resources and free trial to discover how it can empower your financial management. You can find that at Xero.com.